So hello ladies, how is everyone? I am doing my, I guess like weekly update, whatever you want to call it. I'm actually going to do this from the very beginning because last time I already had like my stuff drawn up and people were asking me about injection techniques or whatever. So I'm going to do this from like the very beginning. So I have my syringe, so I have a 3 milliliter with a 22 already attached for the draw. I already snapped off my lids for my Menopure and the sodium. So go ahead and snap those off. Take a alcohol wipe off your tops, and obviously wash your hands before you do any of this. So you wipe off your tops just like I did with both of them. Unpackage your syringe. Keep your 22, which is like the long scary one that nobody wants to ever look at. Keep that one on there. Now I do have Q caps. I don't use them and I don't really know how to use them, to be honest. I don't have those in the field, so sorry about that. But I know it does help to prevent needle sticks. So if you want to use them, certainly advise that you do. So uncap, make sure you have the double check, one of those things. Double check, make sure you have the sodium. You're going to place it down on your counter. Keep your fingers away if you're not using a Q cap. Insert into your vial. You're going to pull back until your needle point is just below the bumper, which is like inside. I don't know if you can see that, but, and then you're gonna draw. Doesn't matter how fast, slow, whatever. So you're gonna draw. It is gonna look like you have a tiny bit left in there. That's just normal. So you can see, looks like there's a tiny bit left in there, which is fine. Now when you take your vial off, you're gonna take your needle, push up, flick it, take your Menopure powder, do the same thing, set it down on the counter, insert your needle just like this, and squirt your solution in there, retrieve your needle, recap, just for safety reasons. Take this, don't shake it, don't throw it across the room and then go get it, whatever. And just literally take it and rub it between your fingers. So just like this for a couple seconds. Alcohol again, it's just one of my things, you don't really have to, but that's how I do it. Alcohol again, with the 22 still in there, draw up. Do not use your one that you're gonna inject because you can A, bend the needle, and B, break your seal. So you're gonna draw, same way we just did with the sodium chloride. Uncap, recap your needle, and then we're going to get the bubbles out. So you can see that I kind of have some bubbles in there, sort of, kind of. See right here, you don't want that because that's gonna cause problems. So push up very slowly, very gently, until you see that it's kind of right at your needle holder, in a sense. Not needle holder, sorry. Needle attachment. And then you see how I still have bubbles down at the bottom there? Flick until you don't have them. See, they all went to the top. That's how you want it. Unscrew, because now you're ready to inject. So unscrew your 22. Put your 30 sub-Q needle on there. And make sure that you have nothing in there. Now I'm currently icing because this does hurt me, at least now. Didn't used to, but now it does. Maybe it's psychosomatic, I don't know. So I use my little cute mask. Okay, so since I am ready to inject, I am going to get my other alcohol wipe. I'm gonna try to show this. Sorry. The best I can. You can see I kind of bruised myself a little bit there. I'm gonna do both sides like I did the first time. Oh my god, I need to lose weight. Okay. So since I iced this side that's all red now, that's where I'm gonna inject. Now everybody does it different places. The best place to do a sub-Q is right about here. So right where it's nice and cold. And just go for it. Don't hesitate, don't do any of that, just go. Slow. Slow goes a lot easier. I have figured that out. And always do your menopause first out of the two. So yes, it's going to take a couple seconds. And then pull out. I am a bleeder, so just dab. Just a little bit there. I'm done. And now that I can come back to you guys, recap, unscrew. The only thing that needs to go in sharps is just your actual sharps. These do not need to go in there. Your preference, but I don't like to waste space. So that one's done. Now for follow stem. Pretty easy. I actually already prepped this, but so this is kind of a long video, sorry guys. Put your cartilage in there if it's not already in there, screw it in, and attach your needle. I'm going to continue this on another video because I think this one's too long, so hang tight.